Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off post sharing on TikTok stories. So if you're getting tired of people sharing your TikTok stories, in this guide, I'll show you how you can turn off the post sharing on TikTok stories and protect your content with just a few taps. So first, you can just open TikTok. Then just go to your profile, so click on your profile button here in bottom right, and then from here we'll access your privacy settings. So you can just tap on the three lines at the top, go to the settings and privacy, and here you can just click on the privacy options. And under the privacy settings, you'll find the options we need to control story sharing. So from here you can just tap on story and you'll see an option called allow others to share your stories, and you can just turn that off and no one will be able to repost your TikTok stories anymore. So if you don't see the setting right away, you can update your TikTok app first or close and reopen it. Sometimes features roll out gradually. So you can just reopen TikTok again, and you can also set who can view your stories by going to the inbox menu. Here click on create on the story, and before uploading it you can just here click on the gear icon on the left side of your screen before posting stories, and here you can see who can view your post. So for example, I'm going to just go with friends only, and after that you can share your stories. So for recap and quick fix summary, you can just go to your profile, open the settings and privacy, tap on privacy story, and then turn off allow others to share your stories. And that's it. Now you've just taken control of who can share your TikTok stories. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and also comment if you want more TikTok privacy tips. And I'll catch you all on the next videos. Bye.